Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Dymind robot, right? This one, how to use this and from where we can get this file. Okay, if you need this file, contact with our service engineer. And how you can get this, use as our general account, right? General account, login, and here we have the Dymind robot file. You can download this from here. And how to use this one, for example, I have problem. This is the problem, right? The problem is positive pressure abnormal low. So how can I get the solution of positive pressure abnormal low? I will just open Dymind robot file and go down. Here is the catalog, right? In the catalog there are many topics. Syringe, if you have problem related to syringe, here are the solution. Motor problem, solution here. Aperture problem, clog problem, pressure, yeah. So this is the pressure problem. So here the problem is positive pressure abnormal low. Solution is here, positive pressure abnormal low. Just click on this one. Also, you know, this is the solution is on 211, page number 211, or just click on this. Now I'm enter here, positive pressure abnormal low. So here is the solution. Remember, check your analyzer model, which your analyzer model is D36, 33. These are the analyzer, right? For each analyzer have like different solution here. For example, this is for DF50, 51, 52. Wait, solution. These are the solution. Check if the tube of yellow part is blocked or folded. Option B, check if valve 15, 16 are pump are abnormal. First you will check this option A, then B, step by step, like check valve 15. If you need to replace, okay, replace valve 15, then check. If the problem still exists, then 16 still exists, then don't replace the pump. But there is mostly we recommend to, there is inside membrane, check the membrane. If membrane is damaged, so you can replace the membrane and fix the problem. These are the C. So these are the how you can use our Dymind file. Thank you.